Hey everybody, it's Eric.
And Becky.
And our package is finally here. We're super excited.
Yeah, we've been waiting for weeks. We ordered this. We've been checking the tracking on this package forever, and it is finally here. So we are so excited to get to opening it and showing you the contents inside.
So we've been waiting for this package for a long time, longer even than before we've had it ordered, because we were shopping around for something, waiting for the right thing. And if you guys are in tech at all, you know that like nothing's ever quite right. Something's always right there. It's got everything you want, but then this version does it a little better. We have one of these. It's an older one that we'll talk about later in the future and maybe show you guys some videos, but we've been really wanting to upgrade, but it's been like, I don't know if we're gonna do it. But as soon as we heard about this, what's inside this package, which you guys probably already know from the title of the video, we knew like we have to buy it. I think that this is gonna perfectly meet all the things that we wanted to do. Maybe not everything that anyone would want to do, but as for our specific use case, I think that this is perfect. Without any further ado, let's pop this box and like see what's inside. I'm really tempted to do like a fun scissor flip. All right, here we go. Nice.
Did I just flip that perfectly the right way? That was unintentional. We haven't practiced that at all. I'm actually really impressed right now.
It's the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo, and we couldn't be more excited about this box. Like I said before, we really have been looking for the perfect drone for us, and I think that this is gonna be it. Oh, that beautiful plastic cut, such a good feeling.
Oh,
ooh.
Sleek.
Looks very nice in there, the way it's just presented to you. You could easily take this out camping or hiking.
Is that a fanny pack? Look at this.
It's kind of like a fanny pack.
It's kind of like a fanny pack.
Something that I haven't noticed from other videos that we've posted is like the packaging is actually really kind of trendy. Like it looked like in the Fly More combo, like this package was a little just kind of dull and black, but it's got some really cool like geometric pattern on the side, and it's got what looks to be like really nice zippers, water sealed. I don't know exactly how effective they'll be, if it's just for looks or show. DJI has finally filled that middle gap of really good quality, but also small form factor, somewhat affordable, so we're not scared to death every time we go fly it somewhere really extreme, and then portable.
Yeah.
Like those are the things to us that were the most important.
Checked all the boxes that we were looking for. Look at this thing.
Oh, the beauty.
That is so slick. That is really, it's a cool looking drone, man. And the fact that it just like folds up, and you could literally, I mean, girl pockets are not this size, but you could like probably fit that in a guy pocket. For sure, guy pocket size.
Oh yeah, we're in the pant pocket here. Pretty dang close.
Yeah.
We're in a pant pocket.
Check this thing out. It like gives me flashbacks to like Nintendo, Super Nintendo days.
It's so perfect.
Feels like a little like Super Nintendo controller, and I love that.
Every video that I see of this drone, the color of it,
yeah,
I love it. This is not a criticism at all. It has like a vintage 1980s tech because of that like Nintendo color and texture, and with the new bigger like brick style controller, it's like Game Boy flashback Nintendo controller. Nice. Anything else in the bag? Ooh, this is part of the Fly More combo. This is a multi battery charger, so we could throw the battery that comes with the drone plus all the extra batteries we get in as well.
Yeah, if you guys are getting this, like Eric said, like this drone really fit in that perfect gap for us of the price point. We almost were gonna go for the Mavic 2 Pro, but it was just a little bit more than we wanted to spend since we already have a really nice drone that cost us a lot of money. But adding on just that little extra bit of money for the Fly More combo really is worth it to me. I mean, you get extra batteries, you get this charging port so that you can charge all of them at once. It just makes sense to me, and we were like, for sure, we're gonna just pay the little bit of extra to get that. How cute are these?
You could barely even read them. You almost need a microscope to see them. We'll get some close-ups for you guys, but we got the Fly More kit comes standard with the ND16, ND64, and ND256. This is just what the Fly More combo comes with. If you feel like you need more, there's more. So we'll kind of let you guys know in future videos too. Like, do you need those other ones or not? Like, what's the deal with that? I have no idea what this is. What is your guess? It looks like it has like a port for the battery to go on, but it also has like USB plugs. So we're gonna have to do research to figure out what this little piece is, but it's something that you could plug into the, maybe charge your battery with the USB. It's probably like the standard charger.
Got our batteries here. Again,
Ooh,
such
nice.
a throwback to like 1990s Super Nintendo style. Just, I love it.
Here's like a charging brick. So maybe my idea about whatever the other thing was is wrong. I don't know. And then another battery. So all told, there's one battery in the drone, and it came in the Fly More combo with 2 extra batteries. So we're starting out ahead with 3 batteries, which is really nice. I think this drone gets somewhere, they say like 34, 33 minutes of flight time. It's always usually less than that when you're actually filming and doing anything aggressive with it.
Yeah, anyone who flies drones, you know, it's all about having extra batteries, because the last thing you want is when you're out there and you're flying your drone and you're just getting to that point where you're getting the awesome shot, and then you hear that beeping that's saying like you need to get the drone back now. And if you only have 1 or 2 batteries, then you are totally out of luck, because you're gonna have to find a way to go somewhere and charge those batteries. So having extras is always worth it. And again, that's why we went with the Fly More combo, just so that we do have those extra batteries. Cool thing about this remote is that the joysticks just attach right here. So you can, if you don't want to like store it and have them get knocked off or whatever, they just come in right here. So cool.
I thought that it comes with extra joysticks, just backup ones for if you lose these.
Do not accidentally throw these out like we could have
You
done.
could very quickly think that your extra joysticks are an extra silica pack. So
pro tip.
Be aware, there's a silica pack to get rid of, and then there's your extra joysticks. I still have no idea what this is. I'm probably gonna be able to figure it out looking online, but if you can drop a comment down below if you know what this little box is. It has 2 USB plugs and like a spot that obviously matches the batteries, and it's probably super obvious to everyone else what it was. I thought it was gonna be our battery charger, but this is the battery charger obviously, so this, I have no clue. I have no clue what this is. Any guesses?
Maybe you can use that to like mobile charge a battery via USB.
Mobile charge a battery, or to like run power off of your batteries for something else that you'd want to use it for. I have no clue, but if you know, drop a comment down below and say, hey Eric, this is what that's for. Welcome to having a Mavic, because there's probably a lot of people out there that know. This isn't a review, obviously. This is just the opening. I'm excited.
We are going to have fun this weekend. We're gonna take this thing out, get some hopefully really awesome footage to show you in our next video. After this will be more of a review, just first impressions and thoughts after flying it, and some actual footage to show you guys.
And if you have questions about the Mavic Air 2 or other drones, or what drone you should get, or if you want certain reviews done or anything, let us know in the comments below what you would like to see done with this drone. We have some big ideas, some planned stuff already for you, but the more ideas, the merrier. So if you have questions about drone ownership, drone flying, Mavic Air 2 specifically, anything you're curious about, throw it in the comments and we will get a video done. Also, we're gonna be giving this away to 1 subscriber.